Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So today is week number 37 of year 2025 mga kabuchi. Shout out to Mardikoy nga gisapot karong buntaga. Salamat sa nilatan lamig tayo. And we have a very sad garden mga kabuchi. I feel so sad with our garden mga kabuchi. Look at our ampalaya and batong na super daot kayog mga bunga mga kabuchi. Ay nako. So we have a very sad garden mga kabuchi. Oh, happy day. The ginger mga kabuchi are very happy mga kabuchi. Because ginger plant doesn't need sunlight mga kabuchi. It can strive in shady areas mga kabuchi just like our garden. Ay, update dahil mga kabuchi no about our lime. So the lime is okay mga kabuchi raw. See the lime mga kabuchi, they are okay. We planted additional 4 lime manggod mga kabuchi and all 4 are okay. Especially this one. This one looks like not good but I think okay ra pod. And this one also. So the direction of the sun mga kabuchi will change. It's about to change na mga kabuchi. So ganadiri but then we have manggod this coconut tree mga kabuchi. And then we also have here kani nga lime ba for harvest naman siguro hinog. And then our siling mga kabuchi, siling panigang. We don't have much bunga na mga kabuchi. But the sili, we have a sili here mga kabuchi para sa suka. So nanashay fruits. And then I am happy mga kabuchi that the lemon mga kabuchi is growing taller mga kabuchi. But sometimes lang we need to check because lemon and lime are very prone to worms mga kabuchi. So sige kog kapatay og ugly worms. The alugbati mga kabuchi is kuana siya is not getting older na, it's about to mature mga kabuchi. But then there's no need manggod to replant the alugbati mga kabuchi because their fruits mga kabuchi will just fall down into the soil and then it will regenerate mga kabuchi and become a new plant. So this is how happy my loya here mga kabuchi. Daghan nagay siya tanom mo and then my sister mga kabuchi will just kanang kuan. Will just kanang dig some ginger mga kabuchi enough for her dish. Para ani mga kabuchi. So my sister already kuan harvested some of the ginger mga kabuchi. So this garden mga kabuchi will turn into a lemon and lime garden and then underneath will be the loya mga kabuchi na. I still want to plant ampalaya mga kabuchi. Anyway, ampalaya will just grow up and will be the ceiling of this garden. But because the ampalaya is not doing well as the the string beans mga kabuchi, so I will have to take a break mga kabuchi. So we will not be planting ginger or new ampalaya and new string beans mga kabuchi. We will let them dry. We will let them die and then wait for 1 or 2 months mga kabuchi before we are going to replant again. So anyway, the ampalaya and the string beans are about to die. So we'll just wait. So because of this direction mga kabuchi, we don't there are others lesser activity here in our garden. So ana lang, lesser activity na, and then more activity will be in our philodendron garden mga kabuchi because I have 2 start sige na pino-pino slicing this at brushing. Mensing. I don't know what's the term mga kabutchi, but we will do that mga kabutchi. So this is just a short update mga kabutchi since we don't have any garden activity. So this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.